Okay, so this note that the size I used to get this particular shape is 1080 for the width and 1350 for the height. So I'll click on the rectangle shape and I'll be changing the color to black color. Okay, so this design I want to do, please be very watchful. Okay, it's a little bit trickish, so please watch out. So I'm changing it to black. You can change it to whatever color you want to, but not white color. Okay, so next I'll click on my element. So I'll click on the see all of frames. Click on see all. So under the frames you see retro. Click on see all of retro. I'm looking for a particular retro frame, so I'll just keep scrolling. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for, this. Okay, so I'll just click on it. So this is the image and I want to change the whole color here to white. So this first color here, click on it and I'll change it to white. Then the other color too, I'll click on it and change it to white. So you will have all white color. So just increase the size and so we'll place it here. Okay, so we are going to click on element again and then we'll be clicking on a circle. Please, any circle. So we'll be using this circle. You can click on any circle. You can go back to the frames and click on just the normal circle. You get it? So this circle, we'll expand it. So we'll keep on expanding the circle until we get what we want. Okay, so this is what we want. So the line must be like this. So take note of where it's starting and where it's end. Okay, so we now change the color here to white color. So can you see it? So the next thing we want to do, we want to bring in shapes. So you see the basic shapes that are here. Click on see all and then we'll be using this particular shape, this one, the pentagon shape. Click on the pentagon shape. So can you see that? Okay, so we'll reduce this. So we'll be duplicating this in 5. Okay, so we're going to bring in our image, the food image that will be inside these frames. So click on gallery. I will select the food. So add to page. Okay, so we're placing these images inside the frame. Okay, so please carefully watch what I'm going to do. So click on this, so I'm going to rotate this and reduce the size a little. Okay, so we want to place it here. Okay, um okay, can you see it? I just want to make this align well. Align well. Okay, click on position and send it to back. Okay, so let's use this as the next. So we are going to curve this. Okay, so click on the next one. Okay, click on position and send it to back. Can you see that it's aligning? So I just am going to make it align. Okay, so we are using the next image. Okay, okay, locate your position and send it to back. Can you see it? All right, we're doing the last one. Okay, so bring it out and we're sending it to back. Okay, so this is the bent effect we are trying to achieve, and we have achieved it already. So next we want to start writing in our text. Okay, so we are writing our text. Click on text and then we're clicking on heading. Okay, so we are writing in Spiceation restaurant. Okay, so this is too big, just a little bit, and we are bringing it here. Reduce the size more. Okay, so we are choosing an orange color. Okay, so for the color, make sure you use this code to get exactly the color. Okay, so we are going to pick our font. So click on the search bar, and the particular font to be using is um Opera. Yeah, Opera Letra. Okay, so search for it and click on it. Okay, so scroll down to where you see format, and we'll click on this B. Click on the B to make it bolding. All right, so after that, we are going to reduce the line spacing here. So reduce the line spacing. Okay, so this is nice. So we are going to increase size a little. Okay, so we are clicking on text. We want to bring in the slogan, and we'll use a body text to write it. So we'll be writing where taste meets temple. Okay, so we click on it and bringing it here. So we are going to click on effects. So we'll scroll down to where you see background. So click on the lines for the editing, and we'll be changing the color alone to this orange color. So we want a darker orange color. Okay, and for the text, we'll be using white. So let's a little bit darken the orange again. Okay, so it's nice. So we are going to reduce the size of this. Let's write 25. Okay, click on it again. We'll duplicate this, and we'll be writing our menu. Edit. Of course, this size is too big, so we'll be reducing the size. Let's just use let's say 22. Okay, all right. So we'll place our menu here. So we want to bring in the menu list. Click on the text, click on body text, and then I've already copied this, so you just place it. Click on this, and so we'll go to the format and we'll click this so it will align. Okay, so we are going to further reduce the size, font size, right, 19. Okay, so we're putting it here. So click on the same, duplicate this. We'll be bringing in the second name, which is this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so click on elements, because we'll begin in a shape for the bullet point. Okay, and we'll be using this particular diamond shape. So click on color and okay, so since it's a bullet point, we are going to make it very small. Okay, so we are bringing it here. So we'll keep duplicating it and positioning everything. With the help of the nudge, we'll position it rightly. Duplicate again and we'll position it. Well, duplicate, okay, and duplicate. Okay, Okay, so we're duplicating for this particular, for the other side. So take this and bring it here. Use the nudge to bring it closer a bit. Duplicate it and bring it here. Duplicate again, duplicate, duplicate. Okay, so this is it, and the next thing we'll be doing is to click on element, and we are bringing in another shape. So this will be using a normal shape. So we'll click on the normal shape, this particular one. So we'll place it here. Okay, scroll it down. Okay, and bring in something like this. So change the color to this orange color we are using. Okay, so we are going to duplicate it. Bring this duplicated one here. So for this, we are going to choose style. Click on this and leave it at 4. Leave the border weight at 4 and also leave the color as black. So after that, click on the corner and curve it. So curve it, and we'll be picking, for this we'll be picking a transparent color. Can you see it? Okay, so click on this again, duplicate it, bring it up here. We'll be reducing the size. Click on the color and click white color, duplicate it, bring it down here again, and white color. Alright, so we'll be bringing in our images. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so we're going to arrange the image here. So if you want to get the right image, we click on crop, click on aspect ratio, and you can just select this 4.5. Done. Okay. So the next image, bring it, reduce the size, click on crop so we can get the exact image. Click on aspect ratio and we'll select the same 4.5 and click done. Okay, so you can now reduce it to the length. So click on the third image. So crop. The last one, click on crop, aspect ratio 4:5, then done, and bring it here. So we are going to be shifting it so we can get that um, centralized shape. Okay, so this is perfect. So click on your element and we want to search for shadow. Okay, so we'll be using this. Reduce the size. Bring it down. Okay, so place it here. So duplicate it again, place it on the other side, then duplicate it and duplicate it. So it's not so we have to take everything to back so it will look a little bit realistic. Okay, click on position. Note you are not taking it to back, which we are using backward instead. Okay, click on backward, not to back. All right, and let's bring in our social media icon. Okay, so we'll reduce reduce the size. And bring it down here. Click on the location, reduce the size. Bring it here. So click on text. I'll be writing in the location. Bring in your text here and reduce the size of the text. Okay. Click on B format. Click this and bolding the text. We are using color white. Then click on the spacing and we'll be adjusting the line spacing. So copy this for the phone number. Bolding this and okay, and increase the size. So place it right here. Okay. So next we'll be bringing in another image. This. Okay, so increase the size and we'll curve it a little. And we'll be placing it here. Okay, then bring in element again. So we'll bring in a circle. Click on the circle, bring it to this side, reduce. Okay. So click on the circle. We'll change the color to orange color. So click orange color. Okay. So next we want to write in order now. Click on text. Click on write order now. Order now. Okay. So we want to shift this into the circle. And so we'll be changing fonts. Click on B, make it bold. Okay, so we want to reduce the spacing That's the line spacing. Reduce the line spacing a little. And would increase the size okay. So the last thing we'll do is to bring in the leave images. So I'll click on my gallery. So click on, this is the leave images. I'll add to page. Okay, so I'll bring it to this edge. And then I'll duplicate, curve it, and bring it here. Also duplicate, and then the last one, curve it, and bring it here. Okay, so this is all for the design, so we are good to go. So don't forget to save your design, and bye.